In 2026, traditional freelancing is no longer the only path for people who want to earn online. The old model was simple: learn a skill, find clients, bill for hours, repeat. And while that model still exists, more people are now moving toward online income streams that are more scalable, more automated, and less dependent on constantly trading time for money. That is the real shift happening this year. Recent 2026 reporting points to creator businesses, subscriptions, digital goods, affiliate commerce, and AI-enabled tiny teams becoming increasingly important parts of the online economy. One of the biggest trends replacing traditional freelancing is productized services. Instead of saying, hire me for custom work by the hour, people are packaging what they do into fixed offers with clear outcomes. A freelancer who used to offer random writing tasks now sells a monthly content system. A designer no longer just waits for custom requests, but sells brand kits or subscription based creative support. A marketer stops selling scattered tasks and instead offers a defined lead generation package. The work may still look like freelancing on the surface, but the business model is shifting from hourly labor to structured offers. This is partly an inference, but it fits the wider 2026 move toward efficiency, repeatability, and business models that scale better than classic hourly work. Another major trend is digital products. This is one of the clearest alternatives to traditional freelancing because it breaks the link between effort and every single sale. A person can create a template pack, paid resource, newsletter, membership toolkit, course prompt library, or downloadable asset and sell it repeatedly without starting from zero every time. Business Insider's 2026 Creator Economy coverage highlights platforms like WAP, a marketplace for digital goods and community access, as part of the new wave of creator led online businesses. Community based income is also replacing traditional freelancing for many people. Instead of constantly chasing clients, some online entrepreneurs are building paid groups, memberships, or subscriptions where people pay for access, belonging, accountability, or specialized information. Stripe's creator economy materials emphasize memberships and subscriptions as core monetization models, and 2026 creator economy reporting points to bundled subscriptions, community access, and direct audience monetization becoming more central. Then there is creator led commerce. A growing number of people are making money not by selling labor directly, but by selling attention, trust, and recommendations. That includes affiliate commerce, live shopping, brand partnerships, and creator storefronts. Business Insider's 2026 Creator Economy Startup Roundup specifically highlights ShopMy, which handles about $1 billion in annual sales, and Whatnot, a major live shopping platform, as examples of how creator commerce is scaling. That means many people are shifting from I do work for clients to I build an audience and monetize influence. AI powered solo businesses are another big replacement for traditional freelancing. In the past, freelancers often stayed stuck because their income depended on how much work they could personally deliver. In 2026, AI tools are helping solo operators research faster, create faster, automate more tasks, and run lean businesses with much higher output. Business Insider's 2026 Tech Trends coverage says venture capitalists are watching tiny teams closely, with some startups expected to reach major scale using AI and minimal staff. That matters because it shows how online income is moving away from pure labor and toward leveraged systems. Another trend replacing traditional freelancing is the rise of creator entrepreneurs. The 2026 Creator Economy Report argues that the market is moving from being attention driven to ownership driven, with fewer creators chasing one off brand deals and more building real businesses with diversified revenue streams and assets they own. That same shift applies to many former freelancers. Instead of only selling services, they are building media brands, digital assets, and direct relationships with audiences. Subscriptions are part of this bigger picture too. Traditional freelancing often means unstable income because every month starts with the pressure to find more work. Subscription models change that by creating recurring revenue. That can come from memberships, paid newsletters, premium communities, retainers, or recurring digital access. Stripe explicitly positions subscriptions and memberships as central tools for creator businesses, which helps explain why so many online earners now prefer recurring models over unpredictable client work. There is also a shift toward platforms and marketplaces that help people monetize expertise without looking like a classic freelancer. Instead of being just a freelancer, someone can sell access, advice, community, or niche tools through platforms designed for creators and digital entrepreneurs. The 2026 creator economy coverage reflects this broader evolution, where creators are increasingly treated like real businesses rather than casual internet personalities. That does not mean freelancing is dead, not at all, but the old version of freelancing, where people simply sell hours and wait for the next project, is being challenged by models that offer more leverage. The online money trends winning in 2026 are the ones that create recurring revenue, ownership, automation, or scale. In other words, they let one person build something that keeps working beyond one client job. So, what is replacing traditional freelancing in 2026? Productized services, digital products, paid communities and memberships, creator led commerce, affiliate income, AI powered solo businesses, subscription models, audience owned brands. These models are not all completely separate from freelancing. In many cases, they evolve out of it. A freelancer starts by selling a skill, then turns that skill into systems, products, subscriptions, and owned revenue streams. That is the real trend. People are moving from labor based income to leverage based income. The big shift is this. In 2026, online earners do not just want to be paid for doing work. They want to be paid for building assets, communities, systems, and distribution. And that is exactly why the new online money trends are replacing traditional freelancing.